Welcome to a new tutorial. So today I'm going to talk to you about email templates and how to edit your email templates and how to create them. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to want to navigate to your campaigns. That's on the left-hand side of the screen. It is right here. It will say campaigns above it when you hover over it. You're going to click on Manage Campaigns. From here, you're brought to your campaign page, and you'll have all of your campaigns that you have created. Those will be listed. You'll also have a campaign page of, you can also create new campaigns if you don't have any active ones yet. But we've been using this restaurant promotion for our tutorials, so I'm just going to stay on that same theme. So I'm going to click on the restaurant promotion campaign. When I click on it, I'll be brought to the campaign details page. And once you're at your campaign details page, you're going to click here where it says click to add channel. Once you click, your four campaign channels will pop up: voice, email, SMS, and MMS. I'm going to deselect SMS because we're not using that right now, and I'm going to activate email. But before I can send out a campaign, I need to make sure that I have a template and that the template has been edited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on email. It will then bring up like this email dashboard. In the tutorial where we spoke about how to send out an email campaign, we spoke about this section here, so I'm not going to talk about that right now. But then in order to get to your templates, you're going to click on this addition sign right above the word template. Once you're here, you can choose either templates that we've pre-created for you. So all of these top ones are templates that LinkFusions provides for you to use. If you scroll down, these are all the templates that you've created. You can also just click new and make a template from scratch. So I'm going to show you both of these right now. So first, what you're going to do if you want to edit one of our pre-existing templates, you're going to simply click on the actual template itself, not on the circle, but on the actual photo of the template. You're going to click on it, and then that will bring up your template. From here, you can name your template. So I'll just name mine newsletter. And then you can also, you can decide how you want your audience to be addressed. If you want it to be first name, phone number, last name, whatever, you can customize it however you want it to be. And then you'll copy and paste that, and you're going to insert that at the beginning of your email. In order to make any edits you would like, all you do is simply click on it. So if you want to change this to newsletter, which is the title of this newsletter, you can edit any text here. You can edit a name. You can delete things. You can change colors. And so if this is red, but maybe I want to change it to black. Maybe I want to change this and have it be a different photo. Maybe you want to upload your own logo. You can change the image here. You can also apply effects to the image as well. So you can crop it. You can flip it like that. You can draw on it. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. I'm just going to cancel because I don't want to edit it like that. But so you can fully customize these any way you would like. You can also add more rows. And so if you want to add let's say you want to add a divider between this word newsletter and this header, you can do so here by adding these rows. And then you could insert more text. And so where you can insert a button, you could insert text or a button. You see here we have the text, the button. You can then edit the button to go to a certain link. So I could do mine to Google. Just like that. So, and then if you want to delete it, you can just simply click on this trash can icon. So it's super easy, super intuitive, and it really is pretty user-friendly to edit these newsletters any way that you need to. So you can take a newsletter that we've already created for you, and you can really customize it any way that you would like. Then I'm going to click save. And then it will give you the option to save and continue or save and exit. I'm going to save and exit. Now, whenever we go back to our newsletter page, you can see that we have our newsletter that we just created here. So you can select that and then you can use that for your template. But if you want to build a template from scratch, what you would do is you would click choose my templates and then you could click this new button. Once you're there, you'll find a template that is just blank and you can do whatever you would like with it. So let's just name this my template. And then as you can see, it's like a blank slate. So you can add, let's add, so first what you'd want to add is a row. And so let's do like a header type row here. Well, it comes with one row already there, but so let's delete that. And then what you can do is you can add like an image. Let's drag and drop this image. You can then browse your computer or the LinkFusion's like database for images. We'll use this LinkFusion's one. So now we have this header. You can also like change the alignment of it. You can see if like you need to add any effects. You can add a URL. You can activate padding to the image as well. And so then let's add another row. You can also add background colors as well. So this one is transparent, but if you wanted to have like a black or red or any color background, you could add that here. Let's go over to rows again. And so here I will drag and drop this. And then these rows like that are separated, this is saying that like you can only have one type of content in this one row. But then for this one, there's two different squares. So you can have like a smaller box of content than a larger one. And then it fluctuates in size as you go down. But so then you can have like different buttons, you can have different images, you can have anything that you need in these content boxes. And so like, let's say if we want to have a button here, so we can drag and drop that button, click on it. We can put in the and then I can edit the text, learn more. So then now that is a functioning button. We can also edit the color. Let's aim for kind of an orangey color. That's good. So that looks good. Now let's add some text next to it. Want so then that's good. And then we could add like if we wanted to add some photos, we could add these 4. So then we could go to content, images, drag and drop, browse. I could insert this. Now we have an image there. You could have a social icon. Go right here. You'd obviously want to like be more thoughtful about what you're putting here, but just for example's sake, I'm kind of flying through it. But it is super, super easy to like insert what you're wanting to insert. And so you want to make sure that your photos are the appropriate size. And so like for these, they're square like content boxes, and you can see that this image is a rectangle. So it makes the image quite short to like take into account the width of the image. So I would just kind of be cognizant of that as you're building your templates. But you can go through and you can also add like custom HTML code if you have it. You can add a video if you have a YouTube video. You can add dividers. So like if I want to have this divider here, you can add like a line break so it looks cleaner. So Foley is super customizable any way that you would want it to look. And then so whenever you're done, you would click save, and then again, save and exit. And then that is it. I mean, you now have your template this is the template that I edited, and then this is the template that I created from scratch. And so then whenever you're ready to build out your email campaign and send it out, you just select whichever one you want to choose. And it is as simple as that. So that is how you customize and edit templates using LinkFusions.